Hello everyone, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Lauren. It is so great to meet you. I'm so happy to have you. So today's video, I decided to go to the mall and I had these Skims boxers that I wanted to get. They're like kind of like boxer briefs, I guess you would say. And I really wanted to pair them under some jeans, and then next thing you knew, I was at Aritzia, then I was at Sephora, and then where else did I go? Then I was at Brandy, and so I thought it would be fun to do a little haul for you guys, a little mall haul. And yeah, it's just gonna be a super chill video. I'm just here in my very messy guest room where I just have all of my things. It's basically what this room is for, so I just thought it'd be fun to film in here today and show you guys what I got. I went to Aritzia first, and I got two things. So I got this really cute bodysuit. I love this color gray. I love the square neckline, and you can never have too many bodysuits. I don't think I have a bodysuit in this color either. And then I got a new pair of jeans, which I also don't think you can ever have too many jeans. And it's very rare that I find a pair of jeans that fit me. And I've also heard really good things about these. These are the A Goldie crisscross jeans. So at the top, it has a little crisscross moment as well as in the back. These fit me so nicely, and I'm gonna put this on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. This is just a super cute, like casual everyday fit. But if you wanted to dress this up, you could throw on a crop jacket with some heels. I love the jeans. I feel like this is so unique. I've never really like seen a jean that's like this, and this bodysuit just fits so nicely. I'll show you the back. Again, these jeans, like, it's very hard for me to find a pair of jeans that fits the waist but also fits the booty. The bottom, I don't have any shoes on, but they're just like a little frayed. These are the perfect color, and I'm going to wear the two of these together and separately all the time. Okay, so next I went to Brandy, and I am obsessed with this top. I originally was going in looking for just like a black t-shirt, and I stumbled upon this beautiful piece of cloth, and I am so happy that I got this. It kind of gave me like granny old type vibes just because it's like yellow. It has the little flowers on it. I love this color. It's like the super pretty pale yellow with a bunch of little green leaves on it. This is great just for everyday wear. I love it with these jeans. When I saw it, I envisioned it with these jeans. I also am going to pair these with sweats. It also looked really cute with the shorts that are like the Bermuda shorts, and they're higher up on your hips like these. This is just a great everyday tee to wear, and whenever I get something and I'm obsessed with it, I wear it all the time. So this is my new obsession, and I'm probably going to wear it like every day for the next week. Okay, so next I got this tank top from Brandy. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this. I didn't try this one on in store. I thought it would be like more cropped up here, and it's just a little long, and the straps also just are a little further out, I think, than I thought they would be. But I do like the design on the front. It says, I forgot what it says. It says radio silence. I mean, the tank top is cute. It's just not the crop that I wanted, so I don't know. I might think on this if I want to return it or not, but I just don't really have any black tank tops that have like a cute little graphic design on it, so who knows, maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I should like take a break from the crop tops because I swear all I wear is crop tops, so maybe it would be nice to do something new and add in a top that isn't super cropped. But I love the ribbed fabric. I'm a huge fan of ribbed fabric for tank tops. And then the back is just a regular tank top, nothing like crazy special about it. So I don't know, comment down below if you like this. I'm still undecided. Now we just have this plain gray tank from Brandy. I'm actually really liking this. Again, I thought it would be more cropped, but I'm kind of happy it's not. Because I feel like this was just a really cute outfit, just this together. Again, loved the ribbed fabric. I just wanted to get a bunch of basics from Brandy because I feel like if you want to add a bunch of basics and elevate your closet, that's a really great place to go because they have so many different colored tees that are just plain. It's nothing like too crazy like when you go to Forever 21 and it's like OMG, it's Monday or something on the back of it. It's just nice and simple and plain. I also just don't have a lot of t-shirts. Like I have one white t-shirt. That's it. I don't have any t-shirts. So I'm super excited to add this one and also the yellow one that I got. Okay, so I have been dying to try Skims for quite some time now. And I heard that Nordstrom carried Skims, which I had no idea. And I saw my friend wearing these like boxer brief cute skim pants the other day, and she styled them so cute that she completely inspired me to get these. So she was wearing these, and then there's a matching top. I didn't buy the matching top because I feel like I already have a bra top that's somewhat similar. So she wore the bra top, these, and then she pulled her jeans up and left them unbuttoned and had the little Skims logo right here, and it literally looked so cute, and I was like, I need to go get a pair. I was between the gray and this color, but I'm really happy with this color. It's kind of like a yellow green cream. I honestly can't tell which of the three it is. I feel like it's kind of just a mixture, but these are super, super soft. I'm always stealing my boyfriend's boxers, so I'm like, maybe I should get a pair of my own, and I'm really, really happy with these. I would love to try some more of the Skims products. I feel like they're really good quality. Maybe some other loungewear, but I'm really excited about these boxer briefs. And I'm also just obsessed with the Skims logo. I really just like the font of the text, and I think the whole aesthetic of the company is really cool. But I'm obsessed with these, and I'm so happy that I got them. Okay, and the last thing that I got that I am just in complete shock that I even found this is the Dior lip oil. So I went to Sephora like a week ago, and I'm like, oh, they're completely sold out. I'm just gonna try another one of their lip products. So it was the Lip Maximizer, which the color I got I wasn't too crazy about. It is a really good gloss, and I feel like it does plump slightly, like barely, but I just love lip gloss in general. But I tried this on in the store. I just fell in love with it. I just love how it feels on your lips. It gives this really pretty glossy look. I have it on right now, and it's just like a really pretty gloss. And I wanted either the pink color or the raspberry color. And I just walked into Sephora today, just, maybe it'll be in stock. And I walk in the aisle, and what do you know? There's just one of these, and it is the pink color. And it's sold out everywhere. I'm just like in shock that I found it. I don't know if someone returned it. I think if someone returns something at Sephora, they have to throw it away, but I don't even care if this is reused. I'm just so happy that I got this, and I feel like it really lives up to the hype. Here, I'll show you. I'll put some more on for you guys. So just look how glossy it is. It's so pink, and it has this really like big applicator. I feel like with lip gloss it's normally smaller, but this is like an oval. It tastes really good, and it also smells really good, and when you put it on your lips, it's like so soft. It just is like, I just want to like almost take everything off the applicator and just keep rubbing it on my lips because it feels like a massage. I love this. I feel like it lives up to the hype, and I am so excited that I just found this at Sephora. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me do more mall hauls, let me know, because I love to go shopping and I would love to show you guys what I get at the mall. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now. I'll give you like 5 seconds to like be like, oh, she's asking me to subscribe, and then click the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified every time that I post a new video, make sure you hit the bell button so your phone will do a little ping at 10:30 a.m. on Mondays, so you can get a little reminder that I posted a video. It just sounded like a news anchor. Get a little reminder. Why did I just go British? Now I can't do my news reporter impersonation. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite item was that I got at the mall today. I don't know which one is my favorite. I feel like I kind of love everything. So it was a good shopping day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye!